This video will demonstrate how to install an express rail upper and lower clamp and a pump. Have an authorized service employee lock out the machine using the lockout tagout procedure. Clean and deburr the upper ram.
Yep.
Unpackage the upper clamp. Have the upper clamp, while still in the crate, positioned to the machine. Always do this with a fork truck using the packaging crate. When the clamp is seated to the upper ram using the fork truck, snug the upper clamp bolts. Remove the crate and the clamp is in a secure position. Clean and deburr the lower ram of the machine. Unpackage the lower clamp. Have the lower clamp, while still in the crate, positioned to the end of the press brake. Always use a fork truck and the shipping crate to do this. Slide the lower clamp out of the crate and onto the press brake. Snug the lower ram set screws. Unpackage the pump. Be sure to remove the hoses and hardware bag. Position the pump according to the customer's needs. Hook the hydraulic line to the inside manifold of the pump, then to the upper clamp. set that. Hook the second hydraulic line to the outside manifold, then to the lower clamp. Secure the hydraulic lines to the machine. Be sure there is enough slack in the lines for the machine travel. Attach the lighted wired pendant to the front of the machine. Replace the oil reservoir cap with the bleeder cap from the hardware bag. Remove the remote pendant from the hardware bag. Plug the pump into the appropriate outlet, release the e-stop, and turn the pump switch to the on position. Test both the upper and lower clamp by actuating the pump on and off. Bleed the upper ram. Actuate the pump and loosen the bleeder cap. When the oil flows free of air, tighten the bleeder cap, then stop the pump. To bleed the lower ram, repeat this process. Install the scales according to the customer's request. Have an authorized employee unlock the machine. The next step is to seat the upper and lower ram. To do this, an authorized machine operator will be needed. You will need 2 short sections of Wilson tooling, punches and dies. On the upper ram, place 1 piece of punch on each end of the first section of the clamp. On the die holder, place 1 section of die at each end. Have the operator seat the punches and dies. Use approximately 5 to 10 tons of force. With this force applied, fully tighten the upper and lower clamp into position. When all of the clamps are tight on the first section only, release the tonnage. Move the 4 pieces of tooling to the next section of the clamp. Reapply the tonnage, tighten all of the clamps, then release the force. Repeat this process for all sections of the clamp. Seating can be verified with a feeler gauge set. If you have any questions or need assistance during this procedure, please contact Todd Dorr at the White Bear Lake plant by calling 651-286-5813.